Based on a reliable information, a combined team of Imphal East Commando and 15 Assam Rifles arrested an active cadre of proscribed KCP from Yumnam Patlau, Thongkhong yesterday. As per reports, the cadre is identified as 37 years old Soibam Malem Ngan Bamaitay of Yumnam Patlau, Maninglaikai. The police also seized some amount of cash, his Aadhaar card and a mobile phone from his possession. Under the aegis of Manipur International Textile Expo Manitex, Department of Textiles, Commerce and Industry, Government of Manipur organized a cycle rally today. The rally was kicked off from the City Convention Center, Imphal, in the presence of Textile and Commerce Minister T.H. Biswajit, actor Mexina Pongnam and Bala Hizam. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga promised to make a massive effort to develop the newly created Sinlung Hills Council area in the northeastern part of the state. As per reports, the ruling MNF and Mark People's Convention launched a massive campaign for the first general election to a 12-member SHC council to be formed shortly. Mizoram's apex and influential students' body, the Mizo Zirlawi Paul, slammed the state government for deplorable road condition between Lunglei and Tlabung town. It appealed to the state government to repair the road at the earliest. A fourth dead body has been recovered at the Nipko blast site after a pipeline carrying water to Kopili hydropower pipe burst in Dima Hasao district of Assam. After 18 days of the Umrangso tragedy, a latest dead body of missing NEPCO employee was recovered by the rescue team comprising of NDRF, SDRF and fire services. The dead body was identified to be of Raju Reddy.